In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the window switch in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Underneath this bezel, just use a trim tool and pry up. There's two clips that hold it down right there, and the whole piece comes out. You can disconnect the connector, slide that down, and the other connector, slide that out. Using a T20 socket, take these two screws out. Grab the switch, and it slides right out. Take the new switch, line it up. There is a tab that slides in on the front. Take the two screws, get those started. Connect the connector. These retainer clips stayed in on our vehicle, so I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers and a pick. And just slide these out. Just like that. And then these are going to go right here. Same with this one. Take the bezel, slide it in up top. Line the clips up and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.